We're going to stay with this central bank theme because Fed Chief Ben Bernanke could be in some hot water today as he goes before a congressional oversight panel. And the big question today, did he bully Bank of America CEO Ken Lewis into buying Merrill Lynch last fall? Remember, that merger nearly cost Lewis his job after shareholders said they were kept in the dark about Merrill's worsening finances. Internal Fed emails revealed at a congressional hearing earlier this month suggested the Fed and then Treasury Secretary Hank Paulson threatened Lewis's removal if the merger fell apart. Here was Lewis's tentative response.
So I'm going to ask you directly, do you think Mr. Bernanke or anyone working under the Federal Reserve Chairman took unauthorized, illegal, or improper action toward you or the Bank of America during these trying times?
I do not. I would say they strongly advised and they spoke in strong terms, but I thought it was with good intention.
Now, today's hearing is set to kick off at 10 a.m. We'll bring you Bernanke's testimony right here on Bloomberg Television.